So girls just want to have fun, Daddy. That's all. Those blasted hiccups. If it weren't for those hiccups, we'd be fine. I know. It's it's just those hiccups. They're so blasted aggravating. I know it. See, I know it, baby girl. I know it. They're just so aggravating. If they weren't so aggravating, it'd be good. But they just bother me. Tell them about it, Riley girl. You tell them. You tell them. You tell them. It's so aggravating. They just bother me. If they didn't come, I wouldn't be so bothered. But they just bother me. I know it. That's a good one. The big one. That was a big one.